record. Okay. So, Mr. Sonu, are you ready for individual one-to-one speaking session?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, let me start by asking you, how are you and what's your name?
Myself, Sonu Kumar. I am pretty well. What about you, sir?
I'm great. And what are you doing these days? Do you work? Do you study?
Well, nowadays I am a student. I left my job in Isarjo Degree College, Pehwa, as an assistant professor.
Okay. How do you spend your leisure time?
Well, I spend my leisure time with my friends to listening some music or making some dishes in kitchen.
How important is your leisure time for you?
Well, leisure time is very important for me and for everyone because in this modern era, everyone are busy in their hectic schedule, and in leisure time they can spend the time with their family member or with friends. So it is very necessary for everyone.
Okay, I have a request to you. Speak little bit louder. And now I'm going to ask some questions to you on the topic of email. My first question to you is, what kinds of emails do you receive about your work or studies?
Well, I received a lot of email regarding to my study. Even I am a research scholar in Kurukshetra University, and I received a lot of email to from my professor.
Do you prefer to email, phone, or text your friends, and why?
Well, it depends upon the situation. Sometimes I prefer to email if they are professionally, and sometimes I like to text or calls to my friend.
Okay. Do you reply to emails and messages as soon as you receive them?
Yes, email are very important for me, and I as soon as I get a time, I replied very fast. But in the text, maybe it will take a time.
Are you happy to receive emails that are advertising things from various companies?
No, I'm not happy. Even sometimes I get bored, and sometimes I block the lots of email address. Those are not linked to me, and they give a fake information.
Okay, this is the end of part one. Now there is part two for you in your speaking session. In this part two section, I will be giving you a cue card topic, and cue card topic is visible to you on the screen. It is about to describe a hotel that you know. Your hints are where this hotel is, what this hotel looks like, what facilities this hotel has, and explain whether you think this is a nice hotel to stay in. I will not give you 1 minute time, please forgive me. I will give you few seconds to go for it, and then you can start. Yes, please.
Okay, just give me 10 seconds. Okay, so can I start?
Yes, why not? Why not? Please.
Well, India have a lots of hotels and the resorts, but out of these here, I would like to talk about a hotel that is present in city of Panchkula, or you can say Chandigarh. The hotel name is Hotel Mandarian. Is a five-star hotel and very looks in infrastructure as well in their facility. I went this hotel a couple of days ago with my friend to celebrate the birthday of my friend, and the two members of the hotels welcomed me when I entered this one. And the hotel provide a lots of facility like Wi-Fi, sleepers, and a good washroom, as well as some towels, and those are very good in conditions. And the rooms looks very beautiful because due to its infrastructure, as well as it's decorating with some paintings and some sceneries. Those are not present in our routine life or in our house. And this hotel is looks very beautiful as compared to the other ones because it's a five-star hotel, and lots of peoples, those are celebrities or those are belong to a sports academy, they stay in that hotel whenever they get a chance. So I feel euphoric about it because whenever I get a chance to, then I will stay in this hotel in future, because this one is provide a delicious food as compared to other ones. So that's why I like this one.
Okay, that's fine. So let us move to part three topics. Here I have the topic of staying in hotels. My first question to you is, what things are important when people are choosing a hotel?
Well, there are the lots of hotel, and when people to choose a hotel, it's better to take a better design and safely. If they are not safe, then I think they no one can choose the hotel. And some facilities are also play a very good role whenever they choose a hotel.
Okay, why do some people not like staying in hotels?
Well, some peoples are not a good. Some peoples have not very enough money to stay in a hotel, so that's why they don't like. And because even hotels are very expensive as compared to if they are living with in PGs or any other areas.
Do you think staying in a luxury hotel is a waste of money?
No, I don't think like that, because if people have money, then they can spend in a hotels or in any luxurious place. But if they don't have money, then they can buy any other place. Those are not very expensive. So luxury, if they want a luxurious life, then they can spend in hotel.
I have few more questions for you about working in a hotel. Do you think hotel work is a good career for life?
I think in the upcoming days, hotels work, or we can say hospitality is a vast area, because the tourism is a very good area for our economy, and day by day it's increasing. So that's why people can choose this area for their future.
Okay, how does working in a big hotel compare with working in a small hotel?
How does working in a big hotel compare with the working? Well, whenever people get a job in a big hotel, they get a very high salary as compared to those are working in a small hotel, and they are very influent in English or with some other skills. But in the small hotels, they don't have any skills. They just act as a waiters or any other position.
Okay, last question of the session is, what skills are needed to be a successful hotel manager?
Well, if anyone want to become a very successful hotel manager, then they should think about the hotel's reputations as well as the management of timing and talking way with their client and with their colleagues.
Right. Thank you so much, Mr. Sonu. This is the end of your IELTS speaking, and I have enjoyed a lot. और आप अच्छा, इनकी मैं फीडबैक अभी शेयर करने लगा हूं। आप में से कोई भी एक कैंडिडेट और मुझे चाहिए जो बिल्कुल मिस्टर सोनू की तरह पूरा ए टू जेड क्वेश्चंस कर पाए। क्वेश्चंस मैं चेंज करने लगा हूं, सेम क्वेश्चंस पे स्पीकिंग नहीं करेंगे। पार्ट वन के टॉपिक्स होंगे, क्यू कार्ड होगा, और पार्ट थ्री होगा। किसी को भी लगता है कि मैं आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट अनफ और सर आप मेरे साथ स्पीकिंग कर लीजिए, एनीबडी, मैं तब तक जो है सोनू जी की जो भी फीडबैक मैंने अभी तक महसूस किया वो लेट मी शेयर इट, बिकॉज इन्होंने अपना टाइम, एनर्जी, एफर्ट्स मेरे साथ इन्वेस्ट किए हैं। तो इट्स माय हम्बल ड्यूटी टू टेल हिम लाइक व्हाट आई थिंक अबाउट हिम, वेयर डज ही स्टैंड इन हिज स्पीकिंग प्रेपरेशन। सबसे पहले पॉजिटिव चीजों से शुरू करता हूँ। जो आपकी फ्लुएंसी है वो इट्स गुड, काफी बढ़िया फ्लुएंसी है। आप, ऐसा नहीं लग रहा था यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग फॉर आइडियाज, यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग फॉर सेंटेंसेस, यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग फॉर वर्ड्स। दूसरा जो है क्लैरिटी है आपके आइडियाज में, जो आप बता रहे हैं वो रेलेवेंट भी है और क्लियर भी है। ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि आप जो है वो मिसमैचिंग कर रहे हैं, जैसे एक ही आंसर में आप अलग अलग तरह की चीजें जो है वो अटैच कर रहे हैं। तो एक क्लैरिटी है और एक कंटिन्यूटी भी है। और थोड़ा सा जो पार्ट थ्री का सेक्शन है वहां आप ज्यादा मेहनत कर सकते हैं, थोड़े ज्यादा स्पेसिफिक हो सकते हैं। जैसे क्वेश्चन था व्हाट थिंग्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट व्हेन पीपल आर चूजिंग अ होटल, तो आप बिल्कुल क्लियर कर सकते हैं कि होटल का लोकेशन क्या है, होटल का स्टाफ कैसा है, होटल में किन किन चीजों की अवेलेबिलिटी है, होटल का जो है मार्केट में रेप्यूटेशन कैसा है, होटल उनको क्या एक्स्ट्रा फैसिलिटी दे सकता है। तो थोड़ा स्पेसिफिक आप हो सकते हैं। अभी हाल फिलहाल भी जैसा आप कर रहे हैं इट्स गुड। और इसके अलावा एक जो आपका टोन है थ्रू आउट द स्पीकिंग, वो एक सेम लेवल पर है। आप कोशिश कर सकते हैं उसको जो है मॉड्यूलेट करने का, थोड़ा अप डाउन करने का। किसी क्वेश्चन में जैसे आप किसी क्वेश्चन के आंसर को शुरू करते हैं तो थोड़ा अलग लेवल पे आप वॉइस को लाउड करके, और जैसे एंड करते करते थोड़ा सा वो वॉइस रेगुलेशन या मॉड्यूलेशन पर आप जा सकते हैं। जितना मैंने अभी तक आपकी स्पीकिंग लिया या मैं जो भी आपका लेवल देख पाया हूं, वो आपका लेवल जो है वो अराउंड 7 का जा रहा है। 6.5 फॉर श्योर, 7 के चांसेस भी हैं, क्योंकि आपकी स्पीकिंग में कोई हड़बड़ाहट नहीं है, कोई ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि आप नर्वस थे या यू वर जस्ट रनिंग। बिल्कुल कूल काम तरीके से आपने अपनी बात रखी है, विच इज वेरी गुड। तो 7 के लिए मुझे लगता है कि आप एट ए लेवल ऑफ 7 यू स्टैंड देयर। चलिए, थैंक यू सो मच अपना जो है
Thank you, sir.
टाइम और एफर्ट देने के लिए। बाकी जितने भी अभी मेरे साथ पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं, आई नीड वन गाय आउट ऑफ यू जिनको भी लगता है कि सर मैं आपके साथ इंडिविजुअल स्पीकिंग करना चाहूंगा, ही और शी इज मोस्ट वेलकम। हु इज कमिंग? चैट में कुछ आया है। Is not his answer was short for part 3 if I am not talking wrong? देखो, डिपेंड करता है पार्ट 3 में आप कितना जो है एग्जैजरेट करते हैं, कितना आप इसमें बोलते हैं। लेकिन ये है कि आप पार्ट 3 तक आते आते थोड़ा सा जो है खुलकर बात कर सकते हैं। लेकिन एक तो ये सेशन रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है, लाइव सेशन है, काफी लोग इसमें हैं, तो मैं समझ सकता हूँ क्वेश्चन पूछने और क्वेश्चन बताने वाले की जो मेंटालिटी है, थोड़ा सा वो कॉन्शियस रहते हैं कि काफी लोग मेरी बात सुन रहे हैं। एग्जाम में जब आप जाते हैं तो आपको पता है केवल एग्जामिनर ही आपकी बात सुन रहा है, तो थोड़ा वो भी फैक्टर रहता है। एक पर्सन सोचता है मैं फटाफट से अपनी बात को रख दूं, और लेकिन इनका लेवल काफी अच्छा है, काफी जो है इन्होंने कूल माइंड से आंसर्स दिए, विच इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। तो आप में से कोई एक कैंडिडेट मुझे चाहिए इंडिविजुअल स्पीकिंग के लिए, जो भी इंटरेस्टेड है, ही और शी इज मोस्ट वेलकम टू कम फॉरवर्ड। और काफी अच्छे मेरे साथ अभी स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो जुड़े हैं। आप में से किसी को भी लगता है कि सर मैं जो है आपके साथ इंडिविजुअल स्पीकिंग करना चाहता हूँ, यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम। और सेशन जो है रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है, क्योंकि सेशन के खत्म होते ही मैं इस सेशन को यूट्यूब पे अपलोड कर दूंगा, ताकि जो भी हमारे चैनल से जुड़े हैं या जो भी हमारे चैनल को फॉलो करते हैं उनको कुछ ना कुछ नया और जो है नॉलेजेबल चीज मिले। राबिया, आर यू देयर एंड आर यू इंटरेस्टेड इन हैविंग वन टू वन सेशन विद मी? राबिया? चलिए, कोई अगर वन टू वन स्पीकिंग देने में इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है तो मेरी वन टू वन स्पीकिंग कर लीजिए। फिर आप में से कोई क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए रेडी हो जाइए। मैं ये पूरा का पूरा जो शीट है पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 पार्ट 3 का, इसके आंसर्स दे देता हूँ, लेकिन जो है कुछ मीनिंगफुल रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये साइलेंस वाला वीडियो जब यूट्यूब पे जाएगा तो कोई बहुत अच्छा जो है मैसेज नहीं जाने वाला है। तो हम जो है यस आई कैन आस्क, ओके। यहाँ पर HR क्रिएशन सोनू जी का कहना है कि ही इज रेडी टू आस्क सम क्वेश्चंस टू मी। चलिए ठीक है, अभी भी एक लास्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी है, कोई भी स्टूडेंट आना चाहता है वन टू वन स्पीकिंग के लिए, ही और शी इज मोस्ट वेलकम। अदरवाइज आपको कल भी ये मौका मिलेगा, कल भी ठीक 9:15 पे, 9:15 बजे हम शाम को जूम लाइव पे होंगे। सैटरडे का डे भी हमने इंडिविजुअल स्पीकिंग के लिए रखा है। चलिए चलिए,
So can I start?
यस यू कैन स्टार्ट जेंटलमैन। और ये क्वेश्चंस की लिस्ट आपके सामने रखी है, आप सीक्वेंस में जैसे भी वट एवर वे यू आर कंफर्टेबल यू कैन आस्क प्लीज।
Okay, so let's talk about what's your name?
Well, my name is Deepak Kumar. You can call me Deepak for the rest of our conversation.
Okay, what is the meaning of your name?
The meaning of my name is light. It is having a very deep meaning because every individual tries to fulfill a kind of purpose. So my life has got a purpose from my name itself. The meaning is light, spread hope, optimism.
Okay. How many languages can you speak?
As far as my language proficiency is concerned, so Hindi is my native language as well as English I have acquired just because of my profession, because of my professional assignments. Apart from that, I am good, well conversant in Punjabi and Haryanvi as well. Little bit Spanish I do know as well.
Do you like any foreign language?
Sorry, I didn't hear you, sir.
Um, wait, I think network issue. Do
Okay.
you like any foreign language?
Yes, I do appreciate various foreign languages as Spanish is the second most spoken language in the world. Apart from that, French is also on my radar. So once I get opportunity to acquire two foreign languages, so Spanish and French, obviously I'm going to choose both of them.
Okay. What do you think would be the hardest language for you to learn?
Mm, I didn't do any research over that, but from the YouTube University, I get to know Chinese is one of the toughest language to learn. So I think I am going to face some trouble, some hardships in Chinese as I have got to know from Facebook founder, this guy. I'm not getting Mark Zuckerberg. He said like
Zuckerberg Mark? Yeah.
learning Chinese was a tough game for me. So I think Chinese is going to be little hard for me.
Okay. What do you remember about learning language at school?
Learning languages at school was very boring, and I do not remember particularly any positive incident because teachers were training us about languages in a very theoretical way. People were getting bored. Why? Because there was no real and practical style involved. So, but later on, I learned various languages from YouTube, from some practical trainers. And right now, I'm also a language trainer, but I teach with complete interest and complete obsession. So from my school, I don't have any kind of brilliant or positive or productive memory.
Sounds good. So let's talk about outer space. If
Okay.
anyone give you a chance to go in outer space, do you want or not?
Absolutely. I would appreciate enjoying the journey in outer space. I know various people from America, Mr. Naveen Jain, Mr. Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, and this guy from UK, Richard Branson. These four entrepreneurs are trying hard to take humanity on the next level to a new planet. So obviously, if I get opportunity to go there, I would love that. I would explore the planet and I would explore the space definitely.
Okay. Do you think if celebrity or any other Bollywood or Hollywood celebrity goes in a outer space, this would be beneficial for us or not?
I think Hollywood celebrity, if they go to space, it is going to be a publicity stunt. And I don't think any productive outcome, productive consequence out of this whole activity, out of this whole exercise. But on the other hand, if somebody from science, if somebody who is scientifically strong, if that sort of individual goes to outer space, I think he can bring some important or valuable information or piece of knowledge from that place. But I think if celebrities they used to go to outer space, it's of no use. It's just media footage, nothing else.
Okay. Do you think it is possible nowadays to go in a outer space?
Yes, it is possible, and I am updated about a few of the companies who take people to outer spaces. They charge, I guess, 2 million in Indian currency. It's 2 million rupees, And however, it is not feasible till now for a common man to enjoy this opportunity. But yes, I think it is possible. These days, it has become possible, and in future, we might find it in very much affordable and reasonable prices for everybody. If they are interested in going to outer space, they can avail this opportunity.
Okay, it's very good. So let's move on to second part.
Hmm.
And I think you can see the your cue card. Describe
Hmm.
a website that you bought something from.
Okay, and
Uh,
so
your
I
time start now.
okay. Websites are the new shops, and I guess the person who uh, invented the concept of website, he must be feeling proud that he has changed the way people communicate, the way people buy things from various platforms. As far as my personal experience of buying things from website is concerned, so yes, I have a big yes. I have bought a lot of things from various websites. It's Amazon, it's Flipkart, uh, it's this Jabong.com. A lot of websites are there for various product categories, but Amazon is my personal favorite as I am a die-hard book lover. So I buy books quite often from Amazon, and here I would love to share an experience. Like on my last birthday, I thought, what should be the best gift that I can give to myself that can take my life, my knowledge, my wisdom to the next level. I bought few books collectively, and my budget was around 5,000 rupees. So I made an order through Amazon and bought some good books on management, personal development, and sales leadership skill development from Amazon. And if I share about the satisfaction index of mine, I was completely satisfied because the moment I placed order on Amazon, I start getting messages and emails like your dispatch has been done, or your order has been finalized, your payment has been received. So they were updating me time to time. It showed like the company is quite responsible and they are enjoying my purchase with them. So, and apart from that, the thing I liked most about that particular experience is within, I guess, 4 days, I got the delivery of entire books at my doorstep, and it was great experience, and the quality of the books were good. It was that they were committed or they were promised on while I was making the purchase. So all in all, I would say Amazon is a website where I normally buy things, and I'm quite happy by making these shoppings or making these purchases from this website.
Okay, so let's move on third part, that is follow up.
Mhm.
Shopping online. What kind of things do people in your country often buy from online shop?
As far as online shops and the kind of products are concerned, I think cosmetics for females, they are crazy. They have a mania for cosmetic stuff from online sites. And if I go to males, I think shoes, accessories, and their clothing, they buy such things, and mobile phones as well. Smartphone, I guess, smartphone is also one of a hot product that normally people buy from online shops. So these are some of the things that people buy from online shops.
Do you think online shopping is better than offline?
It depends because if you are highly occupied, highly engaged since morning to evening, you are busy in your daily routines, in your profession, in your jobs, in your personal professional assignments. And I think rather going to the shop physically and selecting the things with rigorous efforts and investing a lot of time is not a good option for you, and replace these things with just sit on your computer screen or have your smartphone and just place the order. Within a few minutes, just complete the deal, and within a day or two you expect the delivery. So I think if somebody is highly engaged somehow, then online shopping is best. But on the other hand, if the person is not that much occupied, then I think he can physically visit the store and buy things with tangible experience.
Why do you think online shopping has become so popular nowadays?
I think the larger credit goes to smartphone revolution and this mobile data revolution that Jio has brought in India. If you are having a smartphone, if you have the mobile data availability, I think you have the world in your pocket. You have the world on your palms. So this is a very big thing, which has made whole of this revolution a big deal, and this is the reason why online shopping is popular. Apart from that, online shopping offers us nearly infinite options, infinite products to select from, and people love to look at the things, look at the variety. So I think these are the factors that collectively made online shopping a big thing, a big trend.
Do you like any other religions apart from your own?
Sorry, I didn't get your question. Could you please repeat?
Yes, yes. And do you like any other religion
Okay, okay,
that are
okay.
not related to you?
Yes, I I am a kind of person who gives equal importance to all the religions, whether it is Buddhism, whether it is Christianity, whether it is Muslims, Sikh. I have respect for every religion, and I am deeply interested in knowing about religions, like what is their core philosophy and how do they celebrate, how do they collect the people of their religion, their culture, and what are their values, what are their ancestral values, what is their historical background, and when a particular religion got evolved. So yes, I know a lot of things about religion other than mine, and I have a huge respect for all of them.
Do you hate any other religion?
Sorry, just because of some disturbance, I was not able to get you.
Do you hate any religion?
Not at all, not at all. I have a simple philosophy: love, spread optimism, and have a positive eye for not only for religions but for other people as well. So, in my hate list is empty, it's completely blank. I have nothing to tell you about what I hate about a religion.
Okay, so I think this is the end
Thank
of
you,
your speaking.
thank you, thank you, thank you so much, thank you so much. तो दोस्तों, आज का हमारा स्पीकिंग सेशन हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया है। आई होप कुछ बढ़िया इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें निकल कर आई होंगी, और कल फिर हम मिलेंगे ठीक 9:15 पर जूम सेशन पे। जूम की आईडी पासवर्ड आप ले सकते हैं। आपके नियर एंड डियर में, फ्रेंड सर्कल में कोई भी अगर आइल्स प्रिपरेशन कर रहा है और वो लाइव मुझे ऑनलाइन 1-to-1 स्पीकिंग देने में इंटरेस्टेड है, अपना लेवल चेक करने में इंटरेस्टेड है, अपने एरिया ऑफ इंप्रूवमेंट जानने में इंटरेस्टेड है, ही और शी इज मोस्ट वेलकम फ्रॉम एनी पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। यस, एनी पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। तो आज का सेशन मैं यहीं पर रोकता हूं। पूरे सेशन को मैंने रिकॉर्ड कर लिया है और इसको होपफुली अभी या कल अर्ली मॉर्निंग में मैं यूट्यूब पे अपलोड करूंगा। थैंक यू सो मच। आप किसी भी तरह की आइल्स प्रिपरेशन में हेल्प चाहते हैं, अपनी स्टडी वीजा एप्लीकेशन में हेल्प चाहते हैं, तो आप मुझे जो है वो व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच। बाय बाय, टेक केयर, बाय बाय।